ពាក្យសង្ក្រាន្តនេះមានដើមកំណើតឡើងនៅឆ្នាំ910នៃគ្រិស្តសករាជនៅក្នុងរជ្ជកាលព្រះបាទហសវរ្ម័នទី1សរសេរឡើងនៅលើជញ្ជាំងប្រាសាទពីមានអាកាសនៅប៉ែកខាងជើងនៅលើបន្ទាត់ទី31និងទី32ច្បាស់លាស់ពិតប្រាកដដែលខ្មែរប្រើដំបូងគេបំផុត910នៃគ្រិស្តសករាជ
Good evening, council members. Actually, I'm here to just like clarify thing about the term Sangkran. I could see the arguments, and I believe that people on both sides love Khmer tradition, love Khmer culture equally. But some people may misunderstand the term Sangkran itself. That's why their reaction may stem from this kind of misunderstanding or lack of understanding. Actually, to make it clear, the term Sangkran is inscripted in our like ancient stone back in 1910 in the old days.
នៅលើជញ្ជាំងប្រាសាទពិមានអាកាសបង
Well, that's encrypted on the wall of one of the temple in Cambodia called Phimianaka.
នៅលើបន្ទាត់ទី31 32បង
To be precise, it's at line 31, 32, then you would find exactly that term.
ចង់បញ្ជាក់ថាពាក្យនេះគឺជាពាក្យដែលមានប្រភពមកពីស្រុកឥណ្ឌាភាសាសំស្ក្រឹត
The term itself is derived from Sanskrit. It's from India.
ពាក្យនេះខ្មែរពីដើមកាន់ប្រពៃណីពីរពុទ្ធសាសនានិងព្រាហ្មណ៍សាសនា
In the old days, Cambodians believe in Buddhism and another part of religion.
ពាក្យនេះមានថាដំណើរឆ្លងឆ្នាំ
So, of course, Sangkran is the transition of one year to another.
Okay, thank you very much. Your time is up. Thank you very much.